Hello again. This is my entry into HV 1000. HV Logic's got himself 1000 subscribers and he's doing a giveaway. So here we go. This is my entry. What he wants you to do is pick a lock one-handed. I've got this one. I'm not quite sure what it is. I think it's an ERA. It's a 5-lever Mortice lock. And Brumby gave me this to hide the, what's his names? Levers inside. It's a curtained lever lock. I have to just explain this. This is a bent nail tension tool, and the head. This is the head of the nail, and it's just been filed. So this isn't very big, and it can it can come out. So it just needs to be placed in the right position. Otherwise, this won't go in far enough and open up the back one. Sometimes I pull it out a bit. Just like that. It goes through very, very easily. That's it. So there we go then. I don't know what you call it. It's a weird tension, moderate tension, but it was really funny. I think that's just, I'm not going to be able to get it out of there. Goes into a false gate very easily, especially when you're doing it one-handed. Seems to I picked it like this. I tried it out. So I've just done it the once actually, and that was this morning. I had to go out today, and missing something here. I thought that was it then for a second. Felt about right. Hey, well done. We've done it. Thank goodness for that. Right, well, it's going to be gutted, apparently. So here we go. You did see that open, didn't you? Suddenly, did he open it? Did he open it? He bloody opened it. There it is. There's the guts. Right. Whoops. There's number one. Uno. 2, 3. False gate, false gate, false gate at the bottom here. That's the easy one. This is false gate on the top here. That catches you, that one, and this one is exactly the same. And false gate there as well. So and that's the one that usually catches me, but they're two the same. So there we go. Well done, HV Logic for getting 1,000 subscribers. You're a bit of a hero of mine because you're a really, really good challenge lock picker, and I do like making challenge locks, and to make a challenge lock that would entertain you would be an absolute dream for me. So thank you very much for the opportunity to pick this little lock. See you around, guys.